on Saturday evening, right before the Shabbos leaves, we wash the hands for the last meal, the third meal of Shabbat. There's a fourth meal after Shabbat, but the third meal, we wash our hands. So there was a story from the Baal Shem Tov that there was only one tzaddik in the generation that knew the special concentrations and intentions that you need to have at the time of washing the hands. They reveal it to one tzaddik in the whole generation. So when Baal Shem Tov was one Saturday evening washing his hands for this meal, the third meal that we have here in the shul every Friday, every Saturday evening, Saturday afternoon, like right before Suda Shlishi, the third meal, Baal Shem Tov washed his hands, and he said that the western candle was put out. It was referring to the tzaddik at the time. His name was Rabbeinu Chaim ben Atar, also known as Or HaChaim HaKadosh, his commentary on the whole Torah, righteous, extremely righteous person. So the Baal Shem Tov said that he knew that even though Baal Shem Tov was somewhere in Ukraine or Russia, he said that he knew that he passed away because that secret was revealed to him at the time that he washed his hands. So there's a lot. Why am I saying this story? Because the whole idea of washing the hands is way more than we think. What it has to do with the blessing for livelihood if you wash your hands properly with a lot of water, picking up your hands, rubbing your hands, making sure the water reached everywhere, drying your hand, not speaking between. Why is it so important? It's obviously not for hygiene purposes. So there's a lot of secrets into it. Yeah, so we're going to make sure to do it properly.